Okay, guys, we all love Google Apps for education, but as we know, most of these are for social studies teachers who could use them every single minute of every single day. Just kidding, we love social studies teachers. Anyway, this little screencast is especially for math teachers or maybe science or econ, whoever might need to insert a graph into a Google Doc. So just going to show you real quick a good, easy way to make these graphs on Google Docs interactive for students. For example, here is a test that I used to give, but I would have to print it, hand it out to students. They would draw their graphs on it and then turn them into me. Now that this is a Google Doc I could push out through Classroom, I need the students to be able to do these graphs in their Google Docs. So I'm just going to delete these images. This is a grid that I have saved in my photos. And now I am going to insert a drawing. On my drawing board, I can pull up the image, the grid that I have saved, and mine is on my laptop as well as in my Google Photos. So scroll down here to my photos. I have a folder saved of favorite grids, and looks like this is the one I want. So I choose this one. It's going to pull it up onto my drawing board. And now, just to make it faster for students, especially since this is a test, I'm going to pre-make some points for them. So I'm going to go to my shape menu and choose a circle and draw a little point for them. Let's make it really stand out. So I'm going to fill it with blue. And now I can just Control C, Control V, and Control V as many points as they need. For this particular graph, they need 4 points, so that should do it. And I'm just going to go ahead and save and close this. I can resize it. That should be plenty big enough. And I'm going to need this very same grid for problem 20, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy this whole image, this whole drawing, and paste it in. Okay, so when I push this out to students through Classroom, I make a copy for each student. When the students get this, it looks very much like my old one, but when they double click on the image, the drawing board is going to open. They can even scoot it over so they can see the problem underneath it. So we know that this function is going to be shifted to the left 3 and up 4. So I'm going to take every point here and go to the left 1, 2, 3 and up 1, 2, 3, 4. And this point is going to go from the left 1, 2, 3 and up 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, once the students have moved the point to the right place, they can simply use the line tool to connect those points. Oops, I did that part wrong. That's okay. There's an undo button. Actually, I did all of that wrong, so let me just go back. This point's supposed to connect to this one, and this one to this one, and this one to this one. They can also, if they want to, go back and change the width or the color of the line and the width of the line, and I think I'm going to do that as well. Make those 2 point. So when the students click Save and Close and click off of it, their image looks just like a regular image too, except that now it includes the correct answer. Same thing could be done for this one. So hope this helps. You can also do other things besides lines, but they're not always real pretty. You can do scribbles and curves as well, but I think practice will make perfect. So anyway, hope this little quick tip on how you could graph in Google Docs using Google Drawing, will help you out, and thanks for watching.